My name's MarineMax, and I'm the business manager for MarineMax Sail and Ski for Lakeway, San Antonio, and Austin.
My name's Holly Stringer, and I am business manager for MarineMax Sail and Ski Austin, Lakeway, and San Antonio.
The business office is here to assist for the last part of the sales transaction. So we're here to secure any financing for you, get any insurance, offer you some protection options, and of course, finalize the paperwork. So boat financing is very similar to a car or a home loan, but just a little bit different because you are dealing with a luxury item versus just a need per se. We do get to offer terms up to 20 years. And when you have loans that are under $150,000, they're really simple. Usually can just be based on a credit application and maybe a little bit of verified income from like a pay stub or something along those lines. But basically we take your credit application, we review it, compare that to the collateral, the boat that you're trying to purchase, and then we structure loans that would best meet your needs. So if you want a higher down payment or a lower down payment and lower interest rates, we can structure that exactly to what you would like to do.
What we'll do is we'll take a deposit, and then from there we will either take a credit app if we're there in person, or we will send a secure DocuSign credit app to their email. They then fill that out, and then from there we'll pull the credit, and based on that we can typically kind of give customers an idea of what we'll need from them. Usually it's things such as proof of income if it's a certain amount being financed, sometimes proof of residency, but essentially I tell all of my customers to think of it like you're buying a house, so be prepared to have those documents ready. It doesn't mean we're going to need them, but just go ahead and know we might need those to show the bank. Usually, whenever we're done signing, I'll take my customers over to the retail department, introduce them to the girls over there, see if they need any, gear as far as wakeboards or surfboards or jackets or anything like that. And I'll usually go introduce them to the parts and service department too, just because it's nice to have a familiar face when you come in. And typically, a lot of times people do need stuff from our parts department, like anchors and dock lines and all that stuff.
So we can offer you insurance quotes, and we always, recommend that you compare our quotes with, maybe your regular provider. We do work with Boater's Choice. They only specialize in marine insurance. So they know exactly how to cover the boat, and they also do insure at agreed value, so it kind of eliminates the need for gap insurance. So you're not going to have a depreciation in value a couple years down the road if you have a total loss. With warranty, we do offer protection with Brunswick Product Protection, which is great because it's a parent company of most of our brands like Mercury, Bayliner, Sea Ray, Harris, and we can customize the protection based on the boat and the accessories that are on your boat. So you're not paying for a protection that isn't even on your vessel. And we can usually take you out to a maximum of 8 years when we're protecting your boat. And then with used boats, we can actually get you a protection for 3 years for both your accessories and your engine.
I just love boating. I grew up on Lake Travis in the area. My dad always had a boat, so I like being in that community. I like being able to be a part of it, and I mean, it's always just so fun to be able to be like the last part of, hey, all right, you've signed, boat's yours. So it's fun.
I love being in the business office. I get to talk to all the customers. They're at that last moment before they get on the water. So I know they're a little uneasy, but they're also very excited. So it's fun to kind of wrap everything up and help them get out on the lake.